Today we're going over backing on a mid-mount onto the trailer. You're going to make sure you're on the operator's seat, seatbelt is on, parking brake is off, machine's off. You're going to pull a 180 so that way the back of the tires are against the tailgate of the trailer. You're going to back the machine on, try and center your weight over the front axle, pull the parking brake, get off the machine, make sure it's off, and then you will strap down the trailer or strap down the machine to the trailer. After that, you will then reverse the process for unloading the machine.